Alright guys, this is the voice of Web3 Simplified. In today's video, I will be sharing some of my experience that I've had over the past 6 years in regards to Web3 wallets. To be precise, alright, I believe we all understood the exchange wallet, but in this video, I'll focus more on the Web3 wallet, one we use for farming, airdrops, and claims, alright, the non-custodian wallet. Many people are actually running from it. Why? Because of the responsibility that are required in order to keep your assets secured. All right. So in this video, I'll be sharing some of my experiences with you, and these experiences are first-hand experiences because there were time I gathered a lot so much in my wallet, and I actually lose that particular wallet because it was hacked based on the way I actually backed my phrase. All right, so that's why I'll be showing you some of the experiences I know that will actually help you. All right, so let's go straight to wallet creation. I will recommend you using Trust Wallet for your wallet creation. Any wallet you want to create, make sure you use Trust Wallet. And this is the take. What you do is that as a newbie, or you have been in the space and you seek organization, you want to organize your Web3 wallets in order to maximize security, all right, to maximize security to the highest, you just have to go ahead, create 4 wallets. All right, the 4 wallets you are going to create, you create one as airdrop, all right, you create one as investment, you create another one as farming, and you create another one as probably wish list. All right, any of the name, but just make sure you have the farming, you have the airdrop, probably 2 airdrop account and 1 investment. That investment, you won't send it to anybody. The investment wallet, you are not going to send that wallet to anybody. That one will just be personal for you. That's where you are actually storing your investment, your coins. All right, why for the second wallet, which is the trading wallet, that's the one you can use. It's your personal wallet, but you can use it to trade in case you want to buy anything from Phantom, from a decentralized platform. You want to do a DeFi transaction, then you can use that trade wallet. So when you have your capital, you move it straight to your investment wallet. I don't know if you understand what I'm saying here, all right? But just try to get me right, all right? So now, once you have your investment wallet, you have your investment wallet, you have your trading wallet, you have your airdrop wallet, you have your farming wallet. So your airdrop wallet is what you are going to be sending for to connect other platform, all those airdrop you are doing. So these are the uh, wallet you send in. All right, that's the wallet you connect in to claim your points and the rest. And also you can also use your farming wallet to do likewise. All right, so these are the 2 wallets you use based on the platform you are actually operating from. Now, once you create that 4 wallet, your airdrop wallet, you can log it in MetaMask. You can also log in your, what is it called? You can also log in your farming and airdrop on Phantom. So that you can do Solana based projects. You can also log in that too. So these are just the main two you can be logging in other platform. OKS Web3, you can also log in those two there. All right, but your main account, just make sure you are maintaining one platform. You can use Trust Wallet for that, you can use OKS for that, you can use BitGet for that, but just make sure you are maintaining one platform and you are not sending those, you are not logging in those details on multiple apps, all right, for security efficiency. I believe what I just shared for you is secret, is deep. That's why you have to pay right attention to what I will be teaching you in this video. All right, so now I covered wallet creation already. We already know how to create wallets, so you just go ahead and you create your wallet. You can see this plus sign, you can just go ahead and add multiple, just go ahead and create new. All right, so you just go ahead and you create new. So after you've created your new account, you can see I just created a new account now. All right, so you just to go ahead, this is the new account I create. You can just go ahead, give it a name. All right, you can call it investment wallet. All right, investment, so that you can just know it once and for all, so that you won't be struggling. So that's investment wallet. So you can back up manually, just go ahead and you copy your phrase. All right, so you can see copy your phrase. All right, so after that, you back up your phrase, import your phrase. All right, so let me quickly teach us on backup and security. So take for example, this is my 12th phrase. All right, so there I have several formulas or patterns rather on how I back up my phrase. So I can either choose the 10 to 2 formula, I can do 6 to 6 formula, all right, and as I can also do the, what is it called, the 2 to 10 formula. All right, we have 2 to 10, we have 10 to 2, we have 6 to 6, and we also have 1, we also have 1 and we have 1 and 12, we have 1 and 12 to 10. All right, now let me explain the first one. So the first one said 10 to 2. It simply means you can copy this 10, the first 10 phrase, there are 12, right? So you can copy this 10 phrase, and what you need is just 2 email, all right? So you need 2 email address to do this, all right? 2 email addresses, all right? So these are what you need in order to back up for efficient backup and security. All right, so the first one is to copy the first 10 phrase, all right? The first 10, you go ahead, you send it via your email address, all right? As you can see, these are my Gmail, and I have multiple Gmail, so I can choose this first one, all right? This one, coin crawler. I will just go ahead and send, what is it called? Send to talk digitally, all right? Send to there. I'll just type first part, first the wallet name, that's a investment wallet. Maybe since you are using the two side, that's 10. All right, 10. So you are sending 10 here. All right, that's investment wallet. This correct email contains the first 10 phrase. All right, so you send it to the email. All right. So when you send it to the email, you can also star it here, send message. So you can just go ahead and star it, all right? So it will be on your starred this thing, what is it called? So it's on your sent, it's also on your star. So you now go straight again to the other remaining two, the last two, you copy it and you open the second Gmail, all right? So let's open the second Gmail. That's you can see on the second Gmail I've received the, what is it called, the first one I sent into it. So I'm going to send this one back to the same email. I can just reply with this, or I can just send a different email to official coin crawler, all right, and I'll put investment wallet 2. This is just 2 phrases that are here, the remaining 2. So I can now send back to the email, all right? I can send back to the email, or the better still, you can send it to yourself. Just send it to each self, so that there will be no what is it called, no just delete this one. There will be no need to send it to yourself, right? No need to send it to the second email. Just send it to yourself. Send each to yourself. So that's just basically how to back up your phrase securely. So this one is 10 to 2. So you copy the first 10, send to your first email, send it to yourself. Then copy the remaining 2, send it on the second email, send it to yourself, to that same email. Then 6 to 6 is just to use the same pattern. You can use the first 6, use the first 6, then send to the second, yourself on the second email. Then second one, copy the remaining 6. While the second one, I think I'll just stop on this last one, which is 2 to 10. So you can copy your first two, that's power and authority, send it on the first email. Then you copy from strength to legacy, send it to your second email. And remember, everything is on small capital letter. So that's just it. So once you are able to do this, your wallet will be secured for life. It's as simple as that. Because for anyone to have access to your Gmail, to your phrase, it has to break the two email, which will be very hard because you don't use both email for airdrop. You are using fresh email to do this. Make sure you back those email up, secure them with two authentication. Just make sure you have a good security on those email. It's as simple as that.